Have you ever wondered why people are willing to pay 50 cents, 80 cents, or even $1 for just 1 unit of Pi coins? Stay with me and I'm going to make you see so many reasons why you must have to stop selling your Pi coins. Pi Network team have been seriously working so hard to make Pi Network a success. Recently, this was released by Pi Core team. When you open your Pi app, this is what you're going to see in front of your screen. They're actually urging people to become Pi validators because they need more hands to be able to approve a lot of people that are still having pending KYC. For you to know that they're actually very serious about the mainnet, they are in need of more validators so a lot of people that have pending KYC can get approved. Now, here are the reasons why people are willing to pay. From the past history of crypto, first-hand idea always turned out to be successful, and I'm going to prove it to you. When BTC came on board in 2009, it was first of its kind, and a lot of people didn't approve of it. It came up with the first use of blockchain technology, and the ones who saw the potential of the project believed in it and invested in it. And then eventually BTC became a success. But then again, it had its loopholes. Like you could not create another token out of Bitcoin by using BTC blockchain. It was actually a proof of work technology. And then shortly after, in 2015, a young man, Vitalik Buterin, saw these problems that BTC had and decided to come up with his own solution. He introduced smart contracts, the ability for you to be able to create another token out of Ethereum, and it became a success because it was first of its kind. But then again, after it became a success, Ethereum had a very serious problem, which is expensive transaction fee. And then Solana came along to solve that problem. Now you can see people using Solana a lot because it is actually cheaper to use Solana to transact than using ETH. Something that would cost you like about $50 using Ethereum blockchain will cost you nothing less than maybe $2 or $3 using Solana blockchain. And when Solana came up with this idea and people started using Solana a lot, Solana became a success, obviously. Now, let's move to the Telegram bots. We all know that Notcoin was the first of its kind, right? Which was the particular airdrop that you could farm by using Telegram. And then it is no news that Notcoin became a success because it was first of its kind. You can see the similarities there. Just stay with me and I'm going to show you something. Pi Network, as we all know, is the first of its kind. They began the idea of accumulating coins just by clicking on your phone every single day. And it serves as a digital currency and a social network at the same time. This project has been on this journey since 2019. That is 5 years. And they've been slowly and steadily working towards the success of this project. A lot of seminars have been going on here and there. A lot of people have interest in this token. The community of Pi Network is large. So now tell me why people would not believe. Those who saw the potential in Bitcoin then and people didn't see, a lot of people thought those people were crazy, right? But then Bitcoin became a success. Now there's something very similar to that is going on right now with Pi Network. A lot of people like me and some others actually see that great potential in Pi Network, and so many people disapprove of the idea because it's the first of its kind. But the moment Pi Network sets off and become very successful, that's when you now see a lot of people having similar projects like Pi Network. That's one reason why those whales are actually offering you money to get your Pi coins. Because I see no reason why someone will invest a hard-earned money into something that has not yet become a success. People don't just invest blindly. They must have seen something very unique about this particular project that is making them willing to want to invest in it. And now we are approaching bull season. This is the period that Pi is set to launch. And I can tell you that for a fact that they actually want to launch their project because recently they extended their grace period, but they did not extend the migrate to mainnet period. What's that to tell you? That's to tell you that they only want more people to join the train so they don't leave a lot of people hanging. That is the reason why they give more extension to the KYC period. Now, many of us have not been mining these coins, but I will advise you to go back to your phone, dust your Pi Network app and start mining this coin. This coin will make people rich. This coin will change lives. There is a lot of reasons why you should not ignore Pi Network. You should start mining your Pi coins right now because this coin is going to do wonders. So guys, that's what I brought to you here. So for those of you that have not been mining your Pi, go back to start mining now. It's not too late to start mining. And even for those of you that have not even started, I'll leave the link in the description. Go and join Pi Network and start mining your coins because this coin is going to be massive and you don't want to miss out. Do not miss out. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.